Well, I'm posting another one, I guess. For some reason when I was reaching through, I pushed the button. And I got myself a... I'm going to have to pause it again. Hang on. Well, there you go. This guy sent me a clone 52. What do I always say 52? It's a 51. Freaking idiot. That is decent. I mean, really? So for free shipping, I think I paid a total of $246. Okay. I'm getting this, which is you can feel that it's not the same quality as the Benchmade. The fit and finish isn't there. I can tell that right away. But as an EDC, I mean, this is well worth more than, paying for your standard Bear & Sons pin construction $40 flipper. This is sweet. How can you beat that fucking deal? And this beauty right here. Oh, this one you can feel the quality as soon as you touch this. For size comparison, it's a little brother. I mean, this is my favorite blade style. I mean, damn, look at this thing. It's a beast. It's kind of like you're comparing the 51 in the rep or something like that. I don't know, I guess, as far as size comparison. But both of these are sweet. And I'm going to run out of battery, and I got a lot of other things to do before tomorrow. Start a new job, teaching at a new school, and got to get my rest. So thanks for watching, and embrace your creativity, guys. Peace.